Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green algae in an aquarium. First, select a small, dedicated tank, ideally between 1 and 5 gallons, to easily manage your algae culture. Make sure the tank is clean, but avoid harsh chemicals that could harm future growth. Fill your chosen tank with dechlorinated water, ensuring it's free of chlorine or chloramines. Finally, add a thin layer of substrate, such as fine sand or small gravel, to offer a surface for the algae to attach and flourish. Next, focus on providing the right light and nutrients. Algae thrive under consistent illumination, so aim for 12 to 16 hours of light each day using a full-spectrum LED fixture. To feed your algae, introduce a small amount of liquid aquatic plant fertilizer, following the manufacturer's instructions carefully. You can also add a few drops of a nitrate-rich solution or even a tiny, crushed piece of fish food to provide essential nutrients for robust growth. Maintaining stable water parameters is crucial for a thriving algae culture. Keep the water temperature consistently between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Aim for a stable pH level, ideally within the range of 7.0 to 8.0. Perform small, 25% water changes weekly to introduce fresh minerals and remove any accumulated waste. Remember, strong filtration can hinder algae growth, so keep it minimal or use a gentle air stone for circulation. Growing green algae offers several benefits for your aquarium ecosystem. It serves as an excellent natural food source for many herbivorous fish and invertebrates. Additionally, algae help absorb excess nitrates, contributing to cleaner, healthier water. If your algae growth is slower than desired, try increasing the light duration by 1 or 2 hours or slightly increasing your nutrient dosage. Conversely, if growth becomes too vigorous, reduce the light period or perform more frequent, larger water changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.